Hey guys, welcome back to Mobitron. And what's about your iPhone? Because I'm going to show you top 15 tips and tricks of iPhone. So check it out. So guys, we all know that we have a feature to hide our picture, but still everyone can see the hidden album. To stop this, move to the setting, go to the photos, then there is a hidden album option. Turn off the toggle, then no one can see the hidden album. Do you know guys, you can set your own live wallpaper. What you have to just do, shoot any live photo and select the photo, and then in photo option you can see use as a wallpaper option. Select it and set it as a lock screen, then check it out. So guys, we all have a different albums in photos. Each album have their own thumbnail, but if you don't like the thumbnail, then you can change the thumbnail. Just select the photo and make a key photo. Okay, now did you know you have actually a music timer on your iPhone? For example, go to the songs, play a song, and eventually if you have to stop the song, what you do, go to the clock, set the timer and go to the when timer ends. Instead of select any tune, select stop playing and start the timer. Then when the timer ends, the music is automatically stopped. We all know about this Shazam, but what you don't know that if you play something straight off to your phone like YouTube video or Instagram play, click the Shazam icon and Shazam will recognize it anything. We all know that we can't shoot a video while playing a song, but here is a trick to shoot a video while playing a song. Just play the song, then move to camera, and when you select the video option, the song will automatically stop. Now select the photo option and then go back and play song again, and go back to camera, and here hold the photo click button to shoot a video. Okay, now let's see how many of you know this little quick hidden feature. Did you know that if you are scrolling anything like Instagram or YouTube or any other application, if you want to directly jump to the top, then what you have to do, just click on the time so you can directly jump to the top. Here is some seriously cool tricks of iMessage. Did you know that you can respond each individual message by using the emoji? Another really cool thing, if you type out the message and click and hold it to the sign button, you get bunch of different animation options. Or you even have a screen effects. Okay, now I cannot believe this. For the longest time I had no idea this super nifty feature. It is especially useful if you hand over your phone to someone else. And the trick is to click your lock button 3 times and select the guided option. This will activate the feature of guided access. So if you hand your phone to someone with guided access on, then they only be able to stay on that page. And to turn off the guided access, triple click again and then you have to enter your phone's pin. So unless anyone else knows it, they are not accessing the rest of your phone. And if this doesn't work on your phone straight away, it's totally fine. You can just activate in setting, just search the guided access and turn on the guided access. Okay, now here are some sweet Safari tricks that everyone should know. If you are on a website, this little trick is ridiculously useful. If you take this screenshot and open it, At the right corner, you will see the option full page. What does it do? It saves the entire web page as a screenshot. You just click done and it does prompt you to save a PDF document. Once it's all saved, you can go ahead, open your files folder. Right over there is a super long screenshot. If you are surfing the internet or specific website and want to save all information, if you click on the share icon, you will see right over here is this option button. Here you see this PDF option, and this allows you to save the entire web page in PDF form, and you can save it to your files. Gestures are always extremely nifty, and here are some awesome ones. If you type out some text but you want to undo, simply shake your phone and this pop-up notification appears. You can then shake it again to undo even more, or you can redo the text. You can even use finger gestures by selecting a word, then taking 3 fingers and pinching in on the screen. Like that it copies the text, and to paste the text, pinch 3 fingers outside. So next time you have to copy a sentence, don't forget to pinch and paste. Another great thing is to bypass several contacts. So when you put your phone on do not disturb, usually this silences every call. But if you want to specific contacts to still come through, all you have to do, go to the ringtone, make sure to toggle on emergency bypass, click done. And in future, anytime your phone is silent or do not disturb, this person phone, your phone ring every time.